You might spot some imperfections or glitches in certain parts in some instance. You might need to do a bit of editing as well. If you are an editor, this is something you can do easily. In those specific sections, you can choose not to show the face, meaning you can overlay scenes or visuals related to the topic there and complete the video. It will feel genuinely realistic and even in Malayalam. If we can achieve this is in Malayalam, the regional language, we can do it any language. We are getting even better voice quality in Tamil compared to Malayalam and more better in Hindi. We have done it in Hindi, in English, Arabic. We can generate absolutely clear asset. What we have learned now is actually the toughest part. Now, depending on your creativity, you need to generate different varieties of videos. If you add a bit of manual editing skill to it, it becomes very hard to distinguish. It will be difficult to tell if it is an original person or a AI generated avatar. So, since you have completed this, don't waste time on your channels. Just take a little time, maybe an hour. It usually takes less than that. Even if you want to record everything perfectly, let us assume it takes an hour. Actually, you can do it in much less time instead of wasting time shooting and reshooting repeatedly. Just create a script, provide it, generate the video, and release it. That's all. Now, if you want simple editings, like I mentioned, if you need to hide certain parts, you can just apply a simple edit here. You can present it very realistically. You can use this for your business or across your social media accounts. You can create it in a format suitable for Instagram or as a long format for YouTube videos. You can edit it accordingly. Now is the time for your wonderful creativity. Please go ahead and create and share your work with us.